What's poppin', guys? It's your boy XO, and in this video guys I'll be showing you guys how to use the jackpot strategy like a professional, guys. So I'm gonna take the jackpot strategy. I think it's a strategy created by the project Millionaire Groups, and I'm gonna take this strategy and redefine it. I'll take it from being at least I would say the strategy is a 50% strategy, so I'll take it from being a 50 to being an 80. So I'll add in some more confluences that's going to give you guys an even better trading setup, and like to filter out the bad trades, because the whole premise of trading is to filter out the bad trades. So in this video you guys need to watch to the end, because if you don't, then I'm sorry for you, because you're gonna miss out on this great opportunity. So I watched this video, how to grow $100 to $2,000 in 3 days trading forex in 2020, and the video was talking about this Project Live Millionaires, I think it is, okay, Project Millionaire Group, and this guy is teaching the jackpot strategy. At least that's what he called it, the jackpot strategy. So let's go to our charts at this point. So real quick, if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free, you can always unsubscribe, and don't forget to like and share this video to help this video rank in the YouTube algorithm. So based on what he was saying, he said that when the Ichimoku cloud crosses and retraces, then we'll be looking for an entry. But guys, just trading like that, just based off Ichimoku cloud, is not a great idea. So if I just see any cross of the Ichimoku cloud and I just jump in the trade, at this point you can see a cross, but the market went the hell up, and regardless of where your stop is, I can assure you that you're going to get stopped out with this much move. Well, you won't win every trade, that's for sure, but there's a way we can filter out bad trades and increase our probability of winning a trade. So alright guys, so let me look for a setup. So since it said once the Ichimoku cloud cross, so at this point you can see a cross of the Ichimoku cloud right here, so you look for a retracement and you take the trade. So how about let me look for a good setup. So set a cross, a retracement. Alright, so guys, with the jackpot strategy, I noticed that there wasn't a clear entry and exit formula for the strategy. Well, there wasn't an entry, there wasn't an exact, or should I say a clear entry and exit strategy or formula for the jackpot strategy. So I don't know if they have it in their paid something, all this good stuff, but based on what I watched and what I saw, there wasn't any clear entry and exit strategy. So this video right now, if you can watch to the end, I will show you a much more reasonable, or should I say much more better entry, based on my opinion, just based on my opinion, a much more better entry and exit formula for this jackpot strategy. Alright guys, so the best way I will recommend you trade this jackpot strategy, trade this strategy in the direction of the trend. Yeah, the strategy is actually a trend trading strategy, but let me explain, guys. So that's why I said watch this video to the end to understand. So he said, based on what I understood, he said when there's a cross, when this blue line crosses this, is it the conversion line crosses the baseline, then you're looking for a trade. So I won't just take a trade because I see a cross, and he said something about retracement. So when the market pulls back to the Ichimoku cloud, so I won't just say when the market pulls back I just jump in the trade just randomly, but the best thing is to look for price action, something that's going to filter out the bad trades. Alright, so at this point you can see I'm seeing after the cross, at this point the market went a little bit up and retraced back to this point. So I won't just take a trade because I see a retracement. What about taking a trade after an engulfing candlestick? Alright, so this is going to be my entry. At least entering based on price action and engulfing candlestick is probably or at least one of the best way to increase the odds of winning and filtering out the bad trades. So at this point, so now you're wondering, okay, what will be my stops and targets? As usual, if you watch my videos, if you're a fan of this channel, you know that I like to use the ATR, the 1.5 or the 2x the ATR. So the ATR of this candlestick, of this engulfing candlestick, is 65. So 65 times 2 is 130, and our stop loss is going to be a 130 pip stop at this point. So I'm not just randomly taking a trade at some random location. I'm actually using the ATR, and I'll keep using the ATR for consistency. So it's not like I'm risking 40 pip here, 30 pip there, and randomly. So it helps you filter out the bad trades instead of just randomly entering the trade based on the retracement of a candlestick. And yeah, so like for my strategies, you guys know that once the trade achieves a 1-to-1, so let's see, once we get a 1-to-1, we move our stops to break even. So right now at this 1-to-1 point zone, we move our stops to break even. So now we are risk free on this trade. So in case this should retrace and come even, like go down even further, then we lost nothing. So at this point you can see the market retraced but didn't take us out. It almost took us out, but it went up, breaking this 1 hour that we secured, and I mean breaking this highs of this first take profit. Then once it moves a little bit up like this and retraced, then start moving upward, breaking its highs, then I move my stops down to this point. So it's really easy to understand, and there's nothing special about this actually. So as you can see, then the price went up even further and broke these highs and went a little bit up. Then so after that new high at this point, I'll move my stops down to this point. So just keep trailing your stop until the market finally takes you out of the trade at this point. So it's just really easy, guys. So this is my own way of entering and exiting this trade. Let's look for a new entry. So at this point there's a cross, but the market didn't give us an entry, which is an engulfing candlestick. So the market crossed at this point, went up, retraced back, and our entry at this point, this one is too big. This is a better candlestick. So let's say the ATR 104 times 2 is 208. So for a 208 pip stop, this would be our stop and this would be our target. So the market achieved a 1-to-1, then we move our stops to break even at this point and trail it accordingly. So at this point I would say the best place for your stops to be right now is just down at this point. Like the best place for your stops to be right now, if this was a live trade, this is exactly where my stops is going to be. So I secured a 0. Let me see. Okay, so yes, as you can see, I've secured a 0.5 on this trade. If this happened to be a live trade, the Jackpot strategy, the Project Millionaire Group strategy, then I've just secured myself a 0.5 on this trade. So well, the strategy is actually a fun strategy to use, like really interesting. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you want to trade like this, just go and back test it and compare it with the Jackpot, the main Jackpot strategy, and compare it with my own strategy and see which one you like most. Well, it's just me trying to just filter out the bad trades. Usually I like, everything about trading is filtering out the bad trades. I can trade with 2 moving average crossover and still make profits. So adding in confluences like this, adding in small confluences like this is what's going to help you filter out the bad trades in the trading setup. So if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I am signing out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Leave a comment on what you want to see next, and I'll try my best to make a video. Okay guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay XO.